There you go. Yay! Devil's Night. Paul, Daddy carving the pumpkin for Wyatt. Wyatt's first Halloween. First Devil's Night.
Sarah.
Look. She called me a...
Okay.
Look. Hey, Wyatt.
Oh boy. Daddy
Wyatt. Look. Look.
That's usually mommy. Oh, look at that. Look at this.
Look.
There you go. Eat
There
that.
you go. Eat that.
Yeah. Hey Wyatt, look at that. Right there. Right there. Not too closely. I don't want.
Not too close, Paul says.
Here's Wyatt's Halloween music.
Yeah, we're supposed to put the Halloween music on. Okay, I'll be right back with another video on November 30th. October 30th, 2008.
Boo!
It's a boo day.